Let's just keep jumping. Ouch. Ouch. Just jump on that bit. Ouch. Oh, it hurts. It's going to be worse once I hit 500 subscribers, though. Oh, that is going to suck. It's going to suck a lot. Wait, I'm going to just check who's left in here. Oh, one person. Bro, what are you doing? Bending down? You can't do that. You cheater. Stand back up. Just like that. Listen to that. I came down. Oh, it just flung at me. Oh. Why does it fling right at me? Whoa. Alright, let's just turn the camera a bit. Sorry, my fingers were in the way. Yo! Look at all these guys. I got something stuck in my toes. Whoa! Why is this actually creepy? I mean, I just hope I don't get 500. And if I do get 1,000 by the end of the year, I'm trying to beat my brother. But don't sub to him. Better not sub to my brother. Just like planes. If I gain 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, then I will do whatever the top dare does. And it has to be with Lego. The top comment with the best dare, well, the top comment with a dare, I will do. So, subscribe if you want to see me suffer. And let's just get subscribers! Yeah! Yeah! Wait, is this guy still alive? I actually don't know. He's dead! Oh, he's right there. Hi. How are you doing? Yeah! Alright. Whatever the top comment does, well, it has to be, whatever the top comment is, it has to be a dare, by the way. Whatever the top comment is, and it has to be a dare, with Lego, I will do only if I hit 1,000 subscribers. Alright, so subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. And also, if you want to see me play Roblox, any game of your choice, but it can't be inappropriate. Because I don't like those type of games. Alright. Okay. Last thing. You get whatever the top comment is for Roblox on games, I will do. And I will play that game 10 minutes. And I will rate it from 0 to 10. And I will see if you guys want to play that game or not. But it's kind of my opinion. Alright, I think I might do that. Like, tomorrow I'll do, my eyes closed and I'll click that game. Alright, so subscribe to watch me do it. I'll do that on Friday. Alright, on Friday I promise I'll do it. Alright, let's end it.